Here we are today, YouTube. I'm gonna show you guys how to beat spring for your plants could sprout before. So you're gonna want to get these containers. I got them at the 99-cent store, and then obviously these are from the eggs, and then this is a 18 pack, and then this is I think the ones that come with the 60 eggs, which is 5 dozen. And then we just split it in half for these two, and then this one's are sunflowers, cotton, and then peppers, tomatoes, and then more peppers. So you're gonna want to do the same thing that you plant them. I have the water with dirt here, or it could be, because sometimes when you buy the dirt it's already like kind of dry. So what I like doing is kind of having it soak for a bit, and then put the dirt in there, and then these ones I soak them also, because they're gonna absorb the water, and then that's what's gonna help it like keep the moist more. And then so you're gonna want to grab the dirt and then just cover them again, just pour some in each one, and then just cover all. You're gonna do the same thing like you're planting them in regular containers, and the cardboard holds the moist, retains the water a little bit more, so that's what's gonna help. And then the reason I'm putting them in containers is for they could sprout before, because it's just sort of like the temperature is gonna be the right temperature for them. And then the lid is also clear, so you're gonna cover them with the lids, and then you're gonna want to do probably a little hole on them, or not fully closed, because it's gonna probably be too much hotness there. You just want it warm, and then put them in the sun, and then that's how they're gonna sprout before spring. And then after they're done sprouting, you could transfer them into, because you could cut the thing and then pop it out, and then fill cups with dirt, or have your pots with dirt, and then just transfer them there. And then they're gonna probably be, once you transfer them, they're gonna be like this much, and then so by the time you transfer them to a cup, they're gonna be a little bit bigger, and that's when you could transfer them to a bigger pot. So but when you're gonna transfer them to the cup, you're gonna want to have holes on the bottom, maybe 1 or 2 or 3, like one here, another one over here, and right here is for it could drain the water. And then so this is how you guys are gonna beat. This is how I usually do it to beat spring. And then my peppers, tomatoes, plants, my sunflower seeds are gonna be bigger than the usual until it takes a while for them to sprout while doing this method. And then by doing this method, it's gonna be faster than usual. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.